here's the deal. Right now, if you want to go to the Philippines, you have to pay $1,400 just for your ticket from LAX to Manila. And our deal now, if you want to stop by Taipei, is for $17.99, just a few more hundreds. You get to stop by Taiwan. You get 5 nights accommodation. You get all the tours in Taiwan. You get all the meals in Taiwan, and you get to go to the Philippines. That is a steal. And the best thing about it is it's so much more fun because we get to travel together. Manny, ikwento mo nga sa kanila how much fun we had last year.
Actually, this is the nice thing about that. It'll be a celebrity tour. So you'll be feeling celebrity when you do that. Most of the time, lagi may camera. It's like a family. Remember last time? Well, there's no dull moments. We were singing in the bus. We even have our own bar inside the bus. You know?
We get to see lots of nice places, and you, like you mentioned, no, parang we'll interview you. We'll have all the packages featured here on the show. Para siyang reality show, and also you get your DVD of our memories together, so you don't even have to bring your own camera.
No, they could also be discovered sa showbiz ka rin.
Yes, diba? And Jane, this time we're gonna be tell us about the places that we're gonna be visiting.
This time we're going to go to Danshui and also Fisherman's Wharf. And
what's in
Lovers
Danshui?
Bridge.
What do we see there?
In Danshui, we will see the Old Street and the Lovers Bridge, Hong Mao Castle, and also Bali Left Bank, and we take a ferry to the small islands.
And speaking of Lovers Bridge, alam nyo ba, last year, Manny, ang daming mga couples, no?
Nakaka-love nga, eh, no?
Mga nag-second
Make sure they bring their significant others on the
mga nag-second honeymoon po sa Taiwan. It was so much fun. And of course, the shopping, Manny, a lot of kababayans, we always look for, you know what, I got this from Taiwan. Diba? Ang daming mga nice deals doon.
And we can also ship that back, Mamili kayo mamili, and then we could ship it back to the States. Walang problema.
Because kasama po natin si Manny Paez of Manila Forwarder. So jade, coral, jewelry, if you are looking for that. And one thing na nice about this trip is, sabi mo nga Manny, para kang celebrity, so mag-aalagos tayo.
Sinabi mo,
kasi may pottery experience. Jade, can you tell us about that?
We're going to go to this Ingao place, special for the ceramic and the porcelain place. I just confirmed and add a special tour for us to do it yourself. It's a one single version in the whole world because you make your own pottery.
So something like
and
this,
curve your name.
We can make our own.
Make your own, like the famous movie Ghost.
Yes.
Experience that is.
Talagang celebrity experience, and all for the very affordable price of
1,799, including tax.
And all of us will escort you from LAX all the way to Manila.
Wow.
Personal touch service.
Even all the way to Manila. So if you're thinking of going to Manila, and even if you're not thinking of going to Manila, this is the best deal. You have to take advantage of this. That's the number to call on the screen. Manny, when is the deadline?
We have to get the booking before April 30th. Kasi May 18 ang lakad natin. Time ng fiesta sa Pilipinas. Tamang-tama yan.
Diba? And the weather in Taiwan at that time is also going to be good,
it's
right?
Nice. It's nice weather, and our space is limited. And let's join together, have fun, party in Taiwan, let Taiwan touch your heart.
Yes, and then you go to the Philippines. Wow, $17.99 only. This is a steal. So many people are signing up, so you have to sign up right now. Seats are limited, and the deadline is April 30th. Wag na po kayong maghintay. Tumawag na po kayo ngayon. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in Taiwan.
See you in Taiwan.
We will be back for more in Kababayan LA. Don't go away.